A state-level tennis player, Radhika Yadav, has been shot dead by her own father in Gurugram. The reason? She used to make Instagram reels. The victim was shot dead on her mother's birthday. This happened at around 10 in the morning at her house in Gurugram. The police have arrested the man. Now, according to police sources, Radhika wanted to become an influencer. She met big social media influencers to gain more details on how she could go about. But her father, Deepak Yadav, who was upset about his daughter making reels and posting them on Instagram. Sources also revealed that Deepak Yadav was upset about his daughter running a tennis academy. In agitation, he fired 5 bullets at his daughter, 3 of which hit her. Cops are also probing all the angles in this case, including the mother's role during the act of crime. 25-year-old Radhika was a renowned state-level tennis player. She had won several competitions. She had also competed in various national and international tournaments.
फिलहाल जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुई है उसमें पुलिस को मालूम हुआ है कि जो मृतकता है उसको 3 गोलियां कुल मिलाकर के लगी हुई हैं और एक्यूज के ब्रदर के द्वारा पुलिस की कंप्लेंट फाइल की गई है और उसके द्वारा ये एलिगेशन लगाए गए हैं कि उनको शक है कि उसके द्वारा गोली मारी गई है। एक्यूज दीपक जो है उसकी उम्र करीब 49 ईयर्स है। उसके द्वारा घटना को अंजाम देना स्वीकार किया गया है और पुलिस के द्वारा उसको अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है। ये जो राधिका मृतका थी ये कोई टेनिस एकेडमी अपनी चलाती थी जिसको लेकर के इसके पिता नाराज थे और उन्होंने इसको कई बार बोला था कि ये एकेडमी न चलाए और इसी नाराजगी के चलते इन्होंने गोली चला करके हत्या की वारदात को अंजाम दिया गया है।
ये बताओ राधिका कहाँ काम करती थी?
पहले यहाँ करती थी।
हाँ।
अब पहले यहाँ करती थी, अब छोड़ दिया यहाँ से।
तो राधिका यहाँ कितने बजे आती थी खेलने?
यहाँ पहले आती थी, सुबह भी आती थी 6 बजे से लेके 9-8 बजे तक।
कभी बातचीत हुई थी? तुम मिले थे कभी?
हाँ,
कैसी थी?
मैम अच्छी थी और उनके पिताश्री भी अच्छे थे।
ये उनके पिता क्या कभी आके नाराज होते थे?
नहीं।
राधिका जब आती थी तो कभी कोई गुस्सा होता था, कभी ऐसा कभी देखा हो?
नहीं।
माँ पिता के साथ कैसा रिलेशन था उनका?
अच्छा था। यहाँ पे घूमने आती थी पिताश्री और वो भी आते थे तो मिलके खेलते उनके कुत्तों के साथ।
खेलते थे।
हाँ।
गुड़गांव में एक पिता ने अपनी बेटी की गोली मारकर हत्या कर दी। ये वारदात गुरुवार सुबह 10:30 बजे के आसपास की है। हम लोग ठीक घर के बाहर मौजूद हैं। पहली मंजिल पे जो आप घर देख रहे हैं यहीं पर बताया जा रहा है कि दीपक यादव ने अपनी बेटी राधिका यादव की गोली मारकर हत्या कर दी। हालांकि अभी वजह साफ नहीं है। वजह को लेकर के अलग अलग बातें सामने आ रही हैं। कहीं ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि पिता नाराज थे क्योंकि बेटी रील बनाती थी। कभी ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि पिता जो बेटी ने अपना टेनिस एकेडमी खोल रखा था उससे भी पिता नाराज थे। तो असल वजह क्या है ये पुलिस जानने की कोशिश कर रही है। पुलिस लगातार पूछताछ कर रही है, न सिर्फ पिता से बल्कि घर में वो उस वक्त जितने लोग मौजूद थे सभी से पूछताछ कर रही है। एफआईआर दर्ज की गई है जो दीपक यादव हैं उनके भाई की तरफ से, क्योंकि उनकी तरफ से कहा गया है कि वो नीचे से जब ऊपर पहुंचे तो उन्होंने देखा कि उनकी भतीजी की बॉडी पड़ी हुई है। साथ ही साथ एक रिवॉल्वर भी था जो लाइसेंसी रिवॉल्वर था .32 बोर का उनके भाई दीपक का, जिसके बाद पुलिस मौके पे पहुंचती है। उन्होंने रिवॉल्वर पुलिस ने सीज कर लिया, उस पे से फिंगरप्रिंट लिया है। पूरे मामले की जांच की जा रही है और लगातार दीपक यादव से पूछताछ की जा रही है। दीपक यादव के अलावा दीपक यादव की पत्नी जो कि उस वक्त घर में मौजूद थी उनका भी स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया गया है। दीपक यादव के भाई कुलदीप यादव का स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया गया है और पूरे मामले की जांच कर रही है। अब पुलिस ये पता लगाने की कोशिश कर रही है कि दरअसल कत्ल की असल वजह है क्या।
Cutting across to Milind Sharma, joining us live on the broadcast. Milind, first up, give us details of how the crime unfolded. He fired 5 bullets, out of which 3 had hit the daughter. Also, several reasons coming up to why the father shot at the daughter. One being that he was not happy with the tennis academy she was running. The other one being that she posted reels on Instagram, which he was not okay with. And other reasons also that are doing the rounds. What is the police revealing?
Well, this is exactly the reason why the police has furthered the investigation to find out exactly why and what transpired between the father and the daughter on the previous night, because the daughter was, present in the house at that moment. She was making something, cooking something in the kitchen for her mother's birthday. The day happened to be her mother's birthday. The father was also in the house. And certainly at this point, what the reasons that you just stated are being revealed as some reasons that could have led the father to take such a drastic step. One of that is the daughter wanted to be a social media influencer, and the second one being that she was running an academy. People were saying that the father was living off the daughter's earnings, which is something that Deepak Yadav was not very happy with. So all in all, of course, the mental state of the father is also being assessed by the police. We know that currently when the police wanted to record statements, the mother has apparently refused to record a statement completely, and the police here carrying on the further investigation in this matter is trying to gather all facts and evidences, of those people who were in the house at the point of time and others who Deepak Yadav knew, who the daughter was, related to and the daughter spoke to, because they are also trying to assess what is the kind of relationship between the father and the daughter, where the altercations took place, what was the point of contention between the two that led to this horrific act of cold-blooded murder in Gurugram.
All right, Milan, many thanks for getting us those details. And there you see this horrific murder that has sent shockwaves across the country. A young, talented 25-year-old.
के बाद कोर्ट लेकर जाया जाएगा। आप देखिए, हमने बस एक चीज जानने की कोशिश की। आप देखिए गाड़ी में, यहाँ पर आपको दीपक यादव, क्यों मारा? कहना चाहोगे क्यों मारा तुमने? तो आप ये देखिए, दीपक यादव को लेकर के पुलिस की टीम निकल गई है और कोर्ट में पेश किया जाएगा। नेहा, चलिए।
All right, so these are live scenes unfolding as our team is tracking every movement of the father, Deepak Yadav, who, remember, has confessed to the crime. He's confessed to killing his 25-year-old daughter. 5 bullets that he fired, out of which 3 hit the daughter, and she unfortunately lost her life. Now, current details coming in of how the father, Deepak Yadav, is being taken to the court. What will happen next is something we'll keep you updated with. But so far, the reasons, the motive behind the murder is being stated as how he was unhappy at the idea of his daughter running a tennis academy. He was also upset about the fact that she was on Instagram. She posted Instagram reels, and that he thought brought shame to the family. In fact, she wanted to be a big social media influencer, and she had left no stone unturned to express her desire to work towards the same, so much so that she had also met with several big social media influencers themselves to get a sense of how she could actually move on to becoming one herself. A young girl, a talented girl, she was a tennis player, she had played in several national and international tournaments. Somebody who her neighbors and friends and relatives say share a good equation with her family. Now, the police is also looking into details of where the mother was at this time, because initial details have come in of how Radhika was in the kitchen and her father went there and he shot those bullets. Another reason that is coming to light is that the father was unhappy about being teased by those who knew him, saying that he was a man who survived on his daughter's money, and that to him was extremely embarrassing. Listen.
आपको दीपक नजर आएंगे, दीपक यादव को लेकर के पुलिस आ रही है। आप यहाँ देखिए, सीधे कोर्ट लेके जाया जाएगा। आप सीधी तस्वीरें देख रही हैं सेक्टर 56 थाने
को 3 गोली लगी थी। तो फिलहाल पुलिस पूरे मामले की जांच में जुटी हुई है। दीपक क्यों मारा? दीपक क्यों मारा? देखिए, दीपक क्यों मारा? बड़ी सुरक्षा के बीच में दीपक क्यों मारा?
मारा बेटी को, क्यों मारा? देखिए ये देखिए काफी सारे सवाल थे लेकिन किसी भी सवाल का जवाब यहाँ पर नहीं दिया है और अब पुलिस लेकर के मेडिकल कराएगी और मेडिकल कराने के बाद कोर्ट लेकर जाया जाएगा। आप देखिए हमने बस एक चीज जानने की कोशिश की। आप देखिए गाड़ी में यहाँ पर आपको दीपक यादव क्यों मारा, पूरा कहना चाहोगे क्यों मारा तुमने? तो आप ये देखिए दीपक यादव को लेकर के पुलिस की टीम निकल गई है और कोर्ट में पेश किया जाएगा। नेहा चलिए।
All right, so these are the details that are just coming in of how he's being taken to court by the Gurugram cops. Remember, he has confessed to the murder. Several reasons that are now coming to light of why he decided to kill his daughter. The role of the mother that has also been inspected is what we are being told of where she was at that time when the father came and shot bullets at the daughter. Remember, this unfortunate incident happened on the mother's birthday. Now, so far, those who knew the family say that they shared a good equation. It was not like they came from a very regressive setup because the family itself encouraged the daughter to go out and play tennis, and she had played in several national and international tournaments. But clearly, so far, details of how he did not like his daughter making Instagram reels because he thought it brought shame to the family, and so he decided to kill her.